Hello everybody. Today we continue working on our mix, and let's work today a little bit on our kick and clap. So we're gonna mix it in a little bit and I'll show you what I do with it, and hopefully maybe you'll find something useful for yourself from this tutorial. So let's play it again and remind ourselves how it sounds right now. So this is our kick. Alright, so let's create a drum insert. So we're gonna route our kick and snare, kick and clap and other percussion to this insert, and let's call it drums. Alright, so we click on drums again, then right click here, and then route to this track only. Alright, so now you can see this the kick comes and hits over here. Same we're gonna do with our clap. So I'm gonna do it here, right there. Route to this track, and then we need to switch from this pattern to this one. So we're gonna work with different type of beats right here. So this is what we're gonna work with. So you can hear kick, clap, and also we're gonna add this guy over there. Where is it? Oh, I thought I assigned it. I was supposed to assign it somewhere. Okay, here it is. Okay, so we're gonna assign it to drum insert. Alright, now we got it right here. Okay, so first of all I'm gonna add Pro Q3, remove a little bit of lows from the kick. And a little bit of highs. Okay. Then we're also gonna boost a little bit over here to get it more snappy and high end. And also we can boost a little bit over here and decrease a little bit in the center. Yeah, that's all so far for now. Later we can add different things to our kick. Now let's go ahead and do clap. Same here. Our EQ. Like here I'm gonna add a little bit of a side. Just like that. Okay, and our shaker. Every single instrument, I believe, is supposed to go through some type of equalizer, because there's a lot of information here, like you can see on the lower end. Like all of this, you don't need it, so we're just gonna cut it like that. and boost a little bit of our sides. Okay, something like that. The other thing that I usually like to do, I send a little bit of the signal through the send over here, let's say. So I press on clap, and then I press on the send, and I drag this thing over here. So now a little bit of signal going through this send. And here we're gonna add just a little bit of reverb. I'm gonna change it to modern. Remove a lot of lows, because we just want to boost. We want just reverb, a little bit of highs. Then play with this mix a little bit over here. We just need a little bit of touch, just to get more like width. Yeah, something like that. And also we're gonna send our shaker to the send as well. Yeah, something like that. Then we're gonna go to our drums, and we're gonna glue it together. I'm gonna use SSL compressor. Okay, now we're gonna add a little bit more of threshold. Something like that. The other thing that I would add here is inflator. And I also like to add a little bit of equalization for everything, like to make sure we got everything here what we need. So like I see right now, there's a lot of low end here which we don't need. So I'm gonna just do like that. And maybe add a little bit more of a side for everything, like that. It's a subtle change, but it will make a difference. Okay, that's it for now. Let's hear everything. Gonna put our bass here. So there's another thing that I usually do, like I send the shaker over here to the send number 2 and add over here delay, and we can play with it. So it's not gonna directly affect our shaker is just gonna go through here and just add a little bit of our delay the way we want it. So we're gonna set on ping pong right here, decrease a little bit of volume, and now we're gonna play with it. Let's make a little swing of it. Sounds nice. And I feel like I would like to add some more instruments here, so let's just experiment a little bit and add a little bit of let's add another serum. Add a little bit of movement to this sound. So right now I panned it a little bit to the right, and then over here I'm gonna add penman and see how it's gonna work. I want to just like have this little sound moving around in the background, like pretty far in the background. Let's hear it. like that. And then also gonna send it through this sand with our reverb. Let's hear how it sounds with the reverb. Okay, that's better. The other thing, we're gonna add OTT and hear how it's gonna sound with OTT. Oh yeah, it's gonna go through right away. Okay, let's hear it in the mix. Okay, that sounds alright. And now I want to do this penning. So I'm gonna pen a little bit of this last note. So we're gonna click here, right click, and channel penning. So we're gonna pen this one. So it's just gonna like start in the center, and then it's gonna go like to the left or to the right. Let's hear it. So it's already penning, but we're gonna pen like we have our pen man, but this gonna add a little bit even more randomness. At the end we're gonna go like that. Alright, now let's hear it in the mix. Alright, that's pretty good. I think that's it for today, guys. Tomorrow maybe gonna work on something else. Maybe gonna finish, maybe gonna keep doing this track. I'm not sure what we're gonna do tomorrow though yet, so I'll think about it. But that's it for today, guys. Hope you learned something new, and hopefully it was useful for you guys. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Give me a like, share, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.